Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Gravestone Cleaner Kit is probably one of the most thoughtful purchases you can make. It's a way to show respect and keep the memories of your loved ones alive. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive into the best Gravestone Cleaner Kit, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can help you maintain the beauty and integrity of memorials. Number 5. Barry's Cemetery Marker Care System. Are your loved ones' memorials looking a little worse for wear? This system is the internet sensation that cleans and restores cemetery markers. It removes hard water and calcium deposits, bringing them back to life. This is the only product found effective for safely removing surface scale deposits. It works fast to clean and protect your granite or bronze grave markers. The system restores them to their original appearance. This system restores a long-lasting richness to dry and discolored surfaces. Depending on the severity of the damage, results may vary. Climate and water damage can affect the kit's effectiveness. Each kit contains a cleaner and a renewer. This is a small kit, but it has enough product to clean at least one cemetery marker. For best results, seal the metal with Everbright or Rust-Oleum after cleaning bronze surfaces. Give your loved ones the beautiful memorial they deserve. This is the #1 leading manufacturer's and consumer's choice. Get yours today and see the difference it makes. What we like. This system is a complete solution, designed to restore your grave markers to their original beauty. It effectively removes surface scale deposits, a common issue. If you have a marker that's lost its luster due to hard water or environmental factors, this is the perfect choice. It will bring back the memorial's original clarity. What people say. It only took an hour. It now looks almost as good as new. Absolutely effective. It took off the hard water deposits very easily with the cleaner and the polisher worked great. The headstone looked black and shiny. Number 4. Prosoco Revive Headstone Cleaner, 1 gallon. Are you looking for a reliable solution to clean headstones and monuments? This product is trusted by professionals. It effectively cleans various masonry surfaces. Revive works gradually to restore the appearance of stone surfaces. You may need to wait a couple of weeks to see the complete results. The application is simple. Just dilute with water, apply, wait a few minutes, and gently scrub. Then, rinse with water. Revive is effective on all types of stone, concrete, and brick masonry. It's also biodegradable and safe for your landscape. Besides masonry, it can also be applied to wood, painted surfaces, metal, plastic, and glass. It's a versatile cleaner for many different materials. Many stains will change color when exposed to Revive. Most discoloration will disappear after rinsing and weathering. What we like. Revive is effective on all types of stone, making it a versatile option for various headstones. Its biodegradable formula ensures it's safe for the environment and your landscaping. If you're looking for a cleaner that's easy to use and safe for the surroundings, this is the one. It simplifies the cleaning process. What people say. This product works. This product worked wonders. It worked very well, and was easy to use. Number 3. Black Diamond Granite Plus. 2-in-1 Cleaner and Sealer. Introducing Granite Plus, the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for your stone surfaces. It cleans and seals granite, marble, travertine, and limestone, making maintenance a breeze. This ready-to-use formula simplifies your cleaning routine. It's designed for effortless maintenance and protection, ensuring your surfaces always look their best. The pH-neutral formula guarantees a spotless, streak-free shine. You don't even need to rinse it, and it's safe for food contact areas. It's more than just a cleaner, it includes a built-in sealer. This simplifies cleaning and protects your surfaces, enhancing their natural beauty. It defends your countertops against daily spills and messes. From oil to wine, it keeps your surfaces pristine, even with kids around. Perfect for everyday use on countertops, showers, and floors. This product helps maintain a clean and hygienic environment throughout your home. From our family to yours, every bottle is a testament to American craftsmanship. Proudly made in San Clemente, California, it stands for quality and eco-conscious household care. What we like. This product combines cleaning and sealing in one easy step, saving you time and effort. The streak-free formula ensures a beautiful finish, and it's safe for use in food contact areas. If you like a product that offers both cleaning and protection, this is the ideal choice. It simplifies maintenance while enhancing the stone's natural beauty. What people say. This product is amazing. It cleans and seals your granite countertops and leaves a shine like glass. Works well, use on kitchen surface and travertine furniture, prevents staining. This is the best granite cleanser I had so far. 2 steps in one and it lasts also very long, the product and the result on the countertops. Number 2. Klean Logik Headstone Cleaner. Over time, memorials can accumulate dirt and grime. This cleaner is designed to remove these buildups, restoring the original beauty of the stone. It's perfect for honoring your loved ones. This headstone cleaner uses gentle yet effective cleaning agents. It removes tough stains and hard watermarks, bringing back the natural shine. The product will make the stone look brand new. The formula leaves behind a protective Teflon finish. This helps to preserve the stone and the inscriptions. It ensures the memorial remains beautiful for years to come. You can remove stains, moss, and dirt without any heavy scrubbing. It's safe for gravestones and free of harmful components. The product is designed to be gentle yet powerful. The fast-acting spray makes cleaning simple. Just spray it on, wait a minute, and wipe it off. Watch as the tombstone regains its natural shine. Protect headstones from harmful elements with this dependable cleaner. It's safe to use around plants, allowing you to create a beautiful and memorable space. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This cleaner effectively removes dirt and grime, restoring the natural luster of the stone. It leaves behind a protective Teflon finish, preserving the inscription. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution, this spray application is very convenient. It is designed to make the cleaning process hassle-free. What people say. I sprayed it on and scrubbed with a soft brush and the green came right off. I cleaned a small flat stone with 30 years of weathering. This product works great, and on all headstone surfaces, dull, shiny, ancient white. Number 1. Stone Care Granite Stone Cleaner and Polish Combo. This product is perfect for your daily cleaning routine. It's designed to be gentle yet effective, ensuring your surfaces stay clean and fresh every day. It safely removes grease, grime, and watermarks. You won't have to worry about unsightly streaks, as it leaves surfaces sparkling clean. The pH-balanced formula protects your stone's seal from deteriorating. This helps to extend the life of your stone surfaces, keeping them looking their best. It reveals the beautiful natural veining and patterns in your stone surfaces. This product enhances the natural beauty of your stone, making it look even more stunning. It's suitable for granite, marble, and all other types of sealed stone. You can use it on countertops, shower walls, vanities, columns, pillars, and more. What we like. This product is designed for everyday cleaning, making it a convenient choice for regular maintenance. It delivers streak-free results, enhancing the natural beauty of your stone surfaces. If you like to keep your stone surfaces looking their best with minimal effort, this is the perfect choice. It will keep them looking pristine. What people say. Easy to use. Surface feels clean and slick. This is a fine cleaner and polish combo. It is easy to use, no scrubbing or buffing, and makes the tops look great. This is our go-to product for daily cleaning of all our counters. We use the polish weekly, and then once a year we use the sealer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.